Hi everyone, I'm Darren Nava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not. But it's time for you to see our today's offer.
The purpose of our lives is to be happy. And one way of getting closer to achieving happiness is by having breath of fresh air in a nice quiet place you may call a sanctuary. And happiness is what brings us today for our featured listing of the day. We are here in Botolan, Zambales, and we are showing you this 932 square meter property secured with land title. It also has hardwood trees inside like mahogany and agoho trees, around 15 to 20 trees estimated, making this property a perfect place for retirement to build a place you called home in Zambales. The property is only 5 minutes away from the public market and national highway. Highest and best use for this property are both for residential and commercial use. Anyone who set foot in this place will definitely fall in love with the peace and tranquility it can provide and its convenience being near to many amenities. Owners can build a simple bungalow or a two-story house to have some fancy view. This can also be used for Airbnb or for glamping site, which generally becoming a trend among the tourists, especially here in Zambales. Dial our numbers today and bring our hotlines. Zambales Realty is open for inquiries 24/7. You can also reach us on Facebook, just search at Zambales Realty and our team will assist you at any time. They say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. People have different appreciation of things and beauty, especially on properties. There are those who appreciate rugged terrain and mountain setup, and there are those who dare to live by the ocean. And there are those who prefer living on the plains and farmland. Well, regardless of what you prefer, what matters most is that you live happy and living life to the fullest with a property you can call home.
There's still a lot to tell about this neighborhood and this area, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view and I'll see you on the other side. Like us on Facebook because we have lots of properties like this on our page. Please also subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss properties like this. You may also get in touch with us via our email and book your property viewing and tripping through our contact number posted. Zambales has been gifted with the natural beauty of its surroundings. It has been touched by civilization, yet has maintained its rustic glory and beauty. The Zambales coastline is most famous for its sandy beaches and deep blue sea teeming with coral reefs. The province is historical. Located here is the ancestral house of the most beloved Philippine President, Ramon Magsaysay, situated at Castillejos. Whereas Mount Pinatubo, world famous for its 1991 catastrophic eruption, can be found in Botolan, Zambales. Zambales is perfectly suited for visitors seeking an authentic view of the Philippines without going too far from the national capital, Manila. It is located at the western part of Luzon, 210 kilometers or approximately a 2 to 3 hour drive from Manila. Zambales Realty also offers engineering services such as relocation, subdivision, segregation, topographic original survey, hydrographic survey, construction survey, parcellary survey, cadastral survey project, and many more. We also offer documents processing such as titling services for transfer and original certificate of title. We also have legal services for legal documentation for comprehensive research of property and status, and other due diligence. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an offer like this, cause we're always on a lookout for best property deals to share with you. Stay safe! So this is it for today. I hope you'll find our video interesting. I will leave you all our contact details below. Please feel free to contact out. We are more than happy to help you find a property of your dream. Like and subscribe and see you on our next video. Ciao!
Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenchanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.